Our next destination in Ninh is this bird valley here. And look, it is kind of close to the Sierra homestay. However, I went here by car. It took maybe 15 minutes. Then we've also been here. This was more like 20 minutes from home. When you go to this bird valley, you will actually take this road that is kind of long, and you have to pay entrance even for the taxi for some reason. And here it is, what I think you need to know before going to this bird valley. You will enter from here. There is a cave that is lit up in crazy colors if you have time for it. However, I didn't, and enough caves, so I just wanted to see the birds. However, this entire lake surface has no birds, so you will not see any birds here. The only place where the birds are is this area. As you can see, it's not even marked on Google Maps. It is just a huge blank on Google Maps. Here is like a rock, you know, so you can stand on this rock and watch across the pond, but it's quite far, so the birds will be really small, and you will really want to get to here. So I actually walked all this way. It was kind of dangerous because it's a swamp place, and even walking all the way to here through that wild forest, actually, to tell the truth, there was a way. So I think long ago maybe they had people walk all around here, but now that way is really ruined and destroyed, so you cannot rely on the way, but it actually helps more than nothing. But even if you walk all the way to here, because the trees are very tall, you will not see the birds. No chance. So the only thing that I'm advising you, don't even try to walk to see the birds, because you will not see them. It's just waste of time. Be a good girl or boy, take the bloody boat. So pay the money, get on the boat, and then the women will take you inside here with the boats, and that is the only and the best and the only reliable point. If you really come all the way to here to see the birds, you have to take the boat, and really forget it on trying to walk yourself, or walking around hoping to see them. Nothing. And we made it all the way to the bird garden. Apparently there should be plenty of birds. I don't see any so far. However, there is a fake tree and something for the couples, or the triples. And then there is here the mermaid cave, where you are walking on this thing for about 1 kilometer, if I'm not wrong, inside. However, I'm skipping it and entering from the back. And it is lit up in crazy colors like this. Look what I found here, a poor piglet. A poor piglet. Can you eat this? No? I don't know if you like it, but I can't give you anything more than this. Apparently around 5 o'clock more birds will come in, so it means we are stuck here for a while. Okay, I spotted some birds, so we are climbing this really kind of not so easy to climb bridge. Yay, we are on the top. Finally, we get to see the birds. And actually, all the trees here are full of birds. See, all the white dots are birds, and then here the gray dots. And then here, on this hill, all the white dots are birds. think this area is forbidden. Finally, so lucky, we got on a boat! Thanks to them! Yay! We got on a boat and now we can see the bloody bird. So basically, this is where this is where they are. Unless you make some noise, you can't get them to fly, and if they don't fly, we cannot see them. But yeah. And they have cool photos, you know, on the website. I mean, it looks like this, totally amazing. But actually, when you really are there, it's not going to be like that. And make sure to bring a big zoom lens. Maybe 800, maybe 600 is not even enough, because the birds are actually really far. And my Huawei phone, you will see it does a good job to zoom in. The distances are big, so with a phone, yeah, you can zoom in for the video, but taking photos, you know, it will look really crappy. So bring a proper huge lens in order to have, you know, some acceptable photos of this place. All the white dots are birds, actually. But yeah, if they are static, it's not gonna be beautiful, you know, unless you get them fly. Yay, we get one fan service. He even pooped for us. So this one is the closest.
你这边时间11点，我那边12点，你那边1点，我们2点。
But yeah, they have nests, and they have. Do they have kids? Oh, see, 3 nests. See, when they fly, at least we get to see them. So yeah, indeed there are many birds, and it smells like that. Wow, this is gonna look cool. Camera. This is gonna look nice. I think they're gonna fly. Wow.
你这个已经看过了啊。你忘记了？还是翻一下。但是白色跟白色哎不齐中了，不是，那白的那是白色，那长腿和长腿上有几种？3、4种。
I just briefly switched to the pictures that the people posted here on Google Maps, and yes, you will see these tiny white dots. Those are the birds. And so yes, you have to be on a boat, and the woman, you know, hopefully will drive close, otherwise see nothing. All these photos don't have any birds, and the actual birds are, you need a super big zoom on your lens, like I don't know, 800, 600 would work, but maybe better have an 800 zoom if you and yeah, just pay the money, get on the boat. And I was not so impressed in total about this place, but indeed there are many birds, but they are, you know, hidden by the trees. Such photos, you know, were shot maybe 20 years ago. Like really, you cannot rely with the entire global warming and things changing. It's not gonna be like on their posters and pamphlets.